What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car ramp on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is MaxxHaul Car Ramps. MaxxHaul low-profile car ramps are built for routine vehicle maintenance where ground clearance is limited. Made from strong plastic material, these ramps are built to handle vehicles that require stable support while working underneath. Each unit has a capacity of 2,200 pounds, offering a combined strength of 4,400 pounds across both ramps. Their shape and size help make them suitable for compact and low-clearance automobiles. With a lift height of 2.5 inches, the ramps create enough room under the vehicle for tasks like oil changes or minor repairs without raising the car excessively. The gentle loading angle of 9.05 degrees provides access for cars with low front bumpers or lowered suspensions. Each ramp is designed with built-in honeycomb channels. These help in draining away moisture and preventing buildup of mud or road grime, making them easier to maintain and reducing slippage during use. Their wide surface and raised edges contribute to keeping the tires centered while driving up. Measuring 27.5 inches in length, 7.75 inches in width, and 3 inches in height, the ramps are compact enough for easy storage in a trunk or garage. Their lightweight structure also makes them convenient to move from one location to another without hassle. MaxxHaul ramps provide practical clearance and access without using bulky or complex lifting systems. Ideal for use in a home garage or driveway, they support reliable do-it-yourself work while keeping your car stable and secure on a flat surface. In our list, the number 4 product name is Nilight Car Ramps. Nilight Car Ramps provide a stable lift for those who prefer performing vehicle maintenance at home. Built using polypropylene material, these ramps offer a dependable base that can handle up to 16,000 pounds of gross vehicle weight per pair. With their lightweight construction, they can be moved and stored with ease. The height increase of 6.7 inches gives enough space to reach under a car, sport utility vehicle, or light truck. The gradual incline of 17 degrees helps vehicles roll up smoothly, even those with lower ground clearance. Each ramp is 13 inches wide, making them suitable for larger tires and giving users more working space. Their surface is built with a textured design that helps keep tires in place while elevated. The bottom area includes rubber padding, which helps stop movement once the car is in position. Raised sections at the top end of the ramp act as tire stops, preventing unintended slipping or rolling during maintenance work. Measuring 35.6 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and 8.5 inches in height, the ramps provide compact strength while remaining simple to use. They can be positioned quickly on flat, solid ground such as concrete or pavement. These ramps are not suited for uneven places such as gravel, loose soil, or sloped driveways. Whether performing an oil change or inspecting underbody parts, these ramps offer convenient access without complicated tools. Their structure supports regular servicing of different vehicle types, including light trucks and sport utility vehicles, making them useful for home garages. In our list, the number 3 product name is MaxxHaul Car Ramp Set. MaxxHaul detachable and extendable car ramps are designed to support vehicle maintenance while offering ease of use and portability. Each ramp holds up to 3,250 pounds, giving a combined capacity of 6,500 pounds per set. Built from polypropylene material, they provide a dependable base for various light to medium-duty vehicles. The detachable structure makes it possible to remove or extend sections. This flexibility allows for added working space beneath the vehicle or increased ramp length with optional attachments. These ramps include a runner area with tabs that fit securely into the front part, offering stable connection during use. Measuring 52.5 inches in length, 15 inches in width, and 8.5 inches in height, the ramp provides a balanced lift height of 6.5 inches. The inclined angle of 9.5 degrees makes it easier to guide a car or utility vehicle up without scraping the undercarriage. These measurements are ideal for those working in home garages or portable setups. At 33 pounds for the complete set, the ramp includes built-in handles for better portability. The weight and size allow it to be moved without needing extra equipment or tools. The structure is best used on solid, level surfaces such as concrete or smooth pavement. It is not suited for loose or sloped grounds like gravel, sand, or dirt. This ramp set supports basic inspection and maintenance activities. It is a practical choice for users who need space-saving tools that can be adjusted or extended as needed. The combination of strength and adaptability helps meet garage needs where reliability and function are important. In our list, the number 2 product name is Roblock Car Ramps for lift and vehicle maintenance. Roblock low-profile car ramps are made for vehicles with reduced ground clearance, especially sports cars or tuned models. Each unit measures 17.5 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 3.14 inches tall. These ramps support up to 20,000 pounds gross vehicle weight, offering strong base support for extended maintenance work. The build uses durable plastic with a honeycomb structure to improve tire grip and help maintain balance when elevated. Their curved form allows tires to stay in place while also helping to prevent movement during use. Underneath, non-slip pads add more security on flat garage surfaces, avoiding unwanted shifting. The gradual slope of 17 degrees ensures smooth driving onto the ramp without scraping low bumpers or frames. The raised platform reaches a lift height of approximately 2.6 inches, creating space for basic tasks like jack placement, checking parts, or doing light service without needing major lifting equipment. With their compact design and weight of around 5.3 pounds per ramp, they are easy to move and carry. Storage takes up minimal space, making them useful in home garages or transport vehicles. Moisture drains away through the open surface, keeping tires dry and stable while parked. This ramp design fits users who need basic elevation to reach undercarriage areas safely. It helps reduce risk by supporting the full vehicle weight rather than depending only on a jack. Ideal for home mechanics, it suits both everyday maintenance and occasional repair jobs where space, safety, and speed are important. In our list, the number 1 product name is Byern Auto Low Profile Car Ramps. Byern Auto Low Profile Car Ramps are made to support low chassis vehicles during repair and inspection work. With a height of around 3 inches, these compact tools provide enough lift to place a jack under the car or check the underbody without risking bumper damage. Their short size offers more open space underneath, making them useful for quick access during routine maintenance. Each ramp is crafted from polypropylene and built with a honeycomb surface to reduce moisture buildup. This structure improves tire grip and helps reduce slippage, even in slightly wet environments. The wide base improves contact with the ground while providing better stability when driving a vehicle onto the ramp. At just over 17 inches long and nearly 10 inches wide, the design helps ensure safe placement without needing a lot of garage space. A slight incline angle allows the vehicle to move up smoothly while avoiding scraping or dragging. The end of the ramp features a curved lip to help stop the tire from moving too far, adding extra support for safer use. This set can handle a maximum combined weight of 13,200 pounds, which means each ramp holds 6,600 pounds. That makes them suitable for a variety of vehicle sizes, from compact cars to mid-sized trucks. The anti-slip pads underneath add grip on flat concrete or similar surfaces, reducing unwanted movement. These lightweight ramps are easy to move or store between uses, whether in a home garage or mobile repair setup. Their strength and small size make them ideal for vehicle owners looking for a reliable way to lift their cars just enough for safe inspections or minor work without heavy equipment.